Jotrona Hambai tini GK class naitongdi paithak jara GK bo pornen baike porneni jeng tini GK class khainai obo routine I button click heka routine mannai by screenshot khainar di mo routine mote class continue choli tongo te obo jara tabu phana subscribe khaije gya bell icon click khaije subscribe khaidi bell icon click khaidi te share khaidi joto pare nini Facebook friend WhatsApp friend tangni hingka hangkai obo jokon views bang thangano obo continue choli thanai joto pore rongni bagai obo helpful daily sala duibar class man thanai kono rang nangye no hingkai aboni bagai video man loge loge share khaidi joto pare erpore subscribe jara khaije gya ko pogoi tongo subscribe khaidi bell icon click khaidi hingkai sing thanglai tini JK class nini oro GK puila nini general awareness ba GK nickname obo hai nickname nini important monument highest biggest longest suggested je onekta pray 25-30 ta item tongo nini GK ni obo joto paibe khangkache nang common klaijang eke naitongdi continue eke ang tini nickname of Indian place Indian je place rongni nickname obo nainai golden city bobona hin Amritsar sung joton mano Manchester of India bobona hin Ahmedabad Twin City Hyderabad bobona hin Secunderabad City of Festival bobona hin Madurai Deccan Queen bobona hin Pune City of Belgium bobona hin Calcutta Dakhin Ganga bobona hin Godabori Old Ganga bobona hin Godabori Egg Bowl of Asia bobona hin Andhra Pradesh acha tekcha ang tori diwana Egg Bowl of Asia Andhra Pradesh Ekai obo to ang clear khana khaitongo onekjon video clear ngi hin samani ekai network rok da problem ang obo to ang srai ken khaitongo the Manchester of South obo hangka Coimbatore Soa region hangkai Madhya Pradesh Soa region bobona hin Madhya Pradesh City of Nawab bobona hin Lucknow City of Nawab bobona hin Lucknow Venice of the East bobona hin Kochi Venice of the East bobona hin Kochi Queen of the Mountain bobona hin Mussoorie abo Uttarakhand Mussoorie Sacred River bobona hin Ganga Hollywood of India bobona hin Mumbai City of Castle bobona hin Durgota Calcutta State of Five River bobona hin Punjab State of Five River Punjab City of Oiwar bobona hin Dhenipat nini City of Lake bobona hin Srinagar Steel City of India bobona hin Jamshedpur nini Tata Nagar bobina City of Temple bobona hin Varanasi Manchester of the North bobona hin Kanpur Manchester of the North Kanpur City of Release bobona hin New Delhi Heaven of India bobona hin nini Jammu and Kashmir Boston of India bobona hin Ahmedabad Garden of Spice of India bobona hin Kerala Switzerland of India bobona hin Kashmir Abode of the God bobona hin Prayaga Allahabad Pit Bark of India bobona hin Jamshedpur City of Seven Islands bobona hin Madurai Blue Mountain bobona hin Nilgiri Queen of Arabian Sea bobona hin Kochi Space City bobona hin Bangalore Garden City of India bobona hin Bangalore ekai Silicon Valley of India bobona hin Bangalore Electronic City of India bobona hin nini Bangalore Pink City bobona hin Jaipur Gateway of India bobona hin Mumbai ekai tabok highest biggest longest smallest ni aba high bibin item tongo nickname nini award and honor important day aba nini o item rogno joto clear makhanai GK ni eke nini longest largest biggest smallest tallest the highest ni longest river bobo India ni Ganga eka longest river world ni Nile the longest river tributary river of India hangkai Jamuna the longest river of the south of the Godavari south ni longest river Godavari nini highest mountain peak hangkai Godwin Austin ba Keto largest lake ba ular lek bo hin Kashmir nini highest dam kai thiri dam bagiro thiti baro abo nini largest mosque bobon hin Jama Masjid Delhi ni longest route bobon hin Grand Trunk Road state with longest coastline Gujarat largest railway road bobon hin Dibrugarh Assam Kanyakumari in Tamil Nadu longest tunnel Johor Tunnel Jammu Kashmir ni longest national highway NH44 longest dam Hirakud Dam Odisha ni longest dam longest river bridge Dola Sadia bridge also referred to Bhuban Hazarika Hinjabo largest museum National Museum Kolkata ni largest delta Sundarban Delta West Bengal ni largest dome Golgombos Bijapur Karnataka ni largest man-made lake Govinda Pallappan Sagar largest desert Avagat for Rajasthan smallest state area no nai hingga Goa hingkai smallest state population hingkai Sikkim highest waterfall nini Garchupa waterfall Karnataka ni longest electric railway line from Delhi to Kolkata hingga Patna decent populate state nini West Bengal nini largest cave temple hingkai Kailash temple Ilora largest animal fair Sinipur Bihar highest gateway Bulandar Darwaza Fatehpur Sikri nini biggest hotel overall aba nini Sheraton Mumbai ni aba nini largest state area not nai hingga kai Rajasthan population hingkai UP ba Uttar Pradesh ekai nini place of heaviest rainfall hingga Musimiram bises faimani besi wati phayo largest corridor Rams temple corridor abo nini longest railway platform Kharagpur West Bengal ni highest lake Devatal Garhwal nini largest lake saline water Chilka Lake Orissa nini highest civilian award nika Bharatratna highest gallantry award Paramvir Chakra nini largest Gurudwar nini Golden Temple Amritsar nini state with longest coastline of South India Andhra Pradesh which is longest river which from estuary Narmada longest church Saint Cathedral Guwani longest beach Marina Beach Chennai highest airport Leh Ladakh okay longest river Iceland Majuli Brahmaputra river Assam ni longest planetarium Birla planetarium Kolkata ni ege sing tini overnight aun pura sing next nang first man ebong first woman te kabang ma tongo sini pray 27 ta item tongo nini GK ni tebo tongo tobe 27 ta item hingkai ekdom mus ege sing tini musuk naikya duita item ni kaisa hingkai nini highest biggest longest te kaisa hingkai nickname of the Indian place rock ege nickname of the famous person rock ni botongo sengabo next khayana nayana ege nai tongdi krngai tongdi jeng sajak bai daily duita class tongo pungong ka বিশেষ করে reasoning quantity ngo 6টা 30 sarigo nini 7 daily ega a সময় ready khai tongdi ege nai paidi solve khai paidi erpore ang material rinan bagai try khayana jara subscribe khaje rok subscribe khadi bell icon click hambai next class assalamu alaikum